Hey, and welcome to Dark TV. My name is Martin, and I will try to make my own YouTube channel with my girlfriend Lotte, but she's not here today. So let's get started. I will present what is my few hobbies are. It's lab. It's name on the English language, and dark fantasy and gothic things. Yes. I live in Denmark, so I'm a little bad to English. Yes. I will show you what my girlfriend get to her birthday. I think it was a pretty awesome thing. I don't know what you give me the name. What is that word? What do you think about it? Yeah. See, it was a living dead doll, and it's very pretty. That's the shirt. It's very pretty one. I really like it. And there's some little letter with how she died. Let's see. It look like that. I will read it there, out there. A horrified, terrified that on the 93rd day of Yuli, Madame, that she's named, for stealing some bread, they cut off one hand. Slowly she bled out in her troubled homeland. So she returned again to travel afar. The Madame of the Freaks, a dark burning star. And she did Serene in 1815. Yes. And my friend who gave my girlfriend the doll, his name is Philip, and he says that she was possessed. So that's actually really cool, I think. So if you have some questions to me or my girlfriend, read it in the comments and subscribe. It will be pretty awesome, and soon there will be more videos where we go around. Omkring is the Danish word for around. Yes. We will film a little in Denmark, so you can see out there how Denmark look like. That was pretty much it. So have a nice day. Bye.